What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Joven and Tonic fam, Crow fam. I am back with some more bullish content for you guys in this video. The Tonic team has recently dropped some information about the Kronos cruisers and their giveaways and stuff like that. So we're just gonna be checking that out in this video. Checking out Tonic news today, just covering the chart, just talking about Tonic and its potential as well, and what we could expect for the future of Tonic. Right now, the markets are down, and we're gonna be seeing a lot of chop. Okay, Bitcoin right now, when we take a look at the Bitcoin chart, I saw a few charts where it had its dump and then it just held, and now it's just going sideways, right? It's crazy, man. But like I said, guys, always stick to your conviction and your strategy. I can't tell you guys how many times I missed out on gains by not just trusting myself, sticking to my conviction and just holding, diamond handing a project that you believe in. That's really all it takes, man. I'm telling you, once it's a good altcoin or use case project, just diamond hand it and you will receive gains. It may take time to get there, but it's eventually going to happen. Okay, I'm not talking about pool coins. I'm not talking about projects that are in the space that have tokenomics where they tax the token, or projects like that. I'm not talking about projects like that at all, guys. I'm talking about projects that have great use case, utility, innovation. Tonic is one of those projects as far as it goes when it comes to DeFi. And you could see from the team that is always developing, even though sometimes people don't agree with their decisions, they're still developing. You could see from the Tonic community, you guys hitting me up on Twitter, supporting in the comment section. Can't thank you guys enough for the support, by the way. If you enjoy these videos, if you like this content, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let's get to 3,000 subscribers. I'm clicking all over the place. Go support my previous videos that I made on Tonic as well. Also, shout out to everyone in the comment section once again, man. Chef Benny, BY, Thomas, Chef with another super thanks comment, Duang, Tonic. Thank you guys so much. It means so much to me, man. I really appreciate it. If you're watching right now, you can leave a super thanks comment. You could leave become a channel member for updates and shout outs in my videos. Get access to things early before anyone else does. And yeah, guys, just keep supporting, like, comment, subscribe. Tonic right now sitting at $20.8 million in market cap, volume 60K. What I noticed though, projects with low volume like this, it's the best time to buy, because guess what? When the volume is so low, that means a lot of people their eyes are off of the project. They're not too focused on the project. But then look at this, for example. Let's talk about volume. Okay, we can see it right here. So look at this. Volume for Tonic got dropped all the way down to like 81K in volume, just like how it fell all the way down right now. Right here it dropped all the way down to 76K in volume, and then a huge explosion. Then we had that 3x move to from 10 mil to 30 mil market cap, right? And now we're seeing the same thing happen again, where the volume has fallen so much, it fell all the way down to 60K, right? That means there's not much sellers sellers right now for Tonic. There's just people that are holding it, right? So all it needs is one catalyst, and then we could have another big move like we did back in December, right? And that's just really depending on what Bitcoin decides to do, right? When Bitcoin fell down, Bitcoin fell down, had a dump right here. I almost said a nice dump. There's no such thing as a nice dump. Honestly, yeah, you could say there are things as a nice dump, because corrections are good for the charts to keep them healthy. But yeah, it fell down and now it's going sideways right here. Okay, we'll see what happens, how it plays out. But yeah, Tonic super correlated to Bitcoin and Crow's charts. So when they have catalysts, Tonic will follow along, and then you never know. Like when I noticed in the crypto space when it comes to narratives, the chart the chart is forward. The charts are forward looking, so it happens in the charts first, and then we see the move in the broader market. So for example, everyone was amped about UFOs this UFO happening, you know, what's happening all over, UFO sightings constantly. And then all of a sudden, projects were already primed. A lot of projects that were tailored to like UFO type of you know, that narrative were already primed in their charts to, you know, make moves to the upside. Then all of a sudden the charts moved to the upside, and then you heard about the narrative in crypto. All these talks about UFOs, right? Same thing with zero knowledge proof, ZK and layer 2 projects. A lot the charts already moved, and then all of a sudden you see a lot of people talking about it. The charts are always forward looking, right? It could be the same said about Tonic and Crow. You know, these are the times that I really say that you should DCA into the project, DCA diamond hand, and wait for the bull. Don't sell now. It doesn't make any sense to sell, right? A lot of people are worried about short-term moves, and that is so wrong to do. I'm telling you guys, okay? Literally last year in the worst market conditions, I got in some altcoin plays that all I had to do was hold, and then I would have made between both of them earlier in the year last year and close to end of the year last year, it would have been close to 6 figures. All I had to do was hold. I keep sitting beside myself like, man, look at how I missed out on those opportunities by not holding. If you're trust your conviction, if you have a project that, you know, has great fundamentals, it's an altcoin, okay? Not no meme coin that, like I said before, not no poo coin that, you know, has Telegram buy bots. No, an altcoin with actual use case and fundamental. Trust it, believe it, have the conviction on it, and, you know, as time progresses, as time goes by, you will see the gains, you will see the returns, right? And yeah, Tonic is one of those projects. Innovative DeFi, lending and borrowing, huge amount of TVL on Chronos chain, number 1 TVL on Chronos chain. You can't necessarily go wrong with this project, man. It's only a matter of time until we see you know, that turnaround. It's just patience. I've been going on for a bit, guys. Tonic Twitter at 59k followers, super bullish. And right here, okay, Vroomers, Crow fam, we are starting our Chronos Kudos partnership with a Vroom. Stand a chance to win a pool of 200 USD in Tonic. Join now. So right here, they're having a nice little giveaway. Crazy crossbreeds, let's go. Official JRI, let's go. VKC done. Tonic for Vroom, VKC, VCKC. Yeah, from Kendrick. Hovey, let's go. Tonic. Give Hovey a follow. Crypto KH, Diamond Hands. Diamond Hands will win, man. Infamous Chicken, we. Nice name, man. Let's get it. From Anthony Yo. Proud to be a member since the beginning. From Arzurs. Nice project. Yeah, so a lot of good reviews. 200 USD is wow. How can we win? Tonic to 100,000 like Bitcoin before March. For March, my bad. Yo, that is a crazy price prediction. 100k by March. But yeah, guys, nice little update. Tonic has a nice giveaway. Stand a chance to win a pool of 200 USD in Tonic. Join now. Like I said, guys, keep that conviction. Stick to your strategy. DCA diamond hand, wait for the bull. That's it. It's that simple. Don't worry about the short-term moves. Tonic is one of those alts that's not going anywhere. It's only gonna follow the broader market. Tonic fam, Crow fam, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I really appreciate all the support. You guys are amazing. Thanks so much. If you can, leave a super thanks in the comment section, or become a channel member. It really helps the channel out. You could get new updates on all my videos early, and you could also get shout outs in future videos. Once again, guys, thank you so much for everything. I can't stop thanking you guys. I am one of those people that appreciate the people that supports his channel to the fullest, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.